Hey guys, this is me Pranay and you're watching Techno Master. So guys, today we have OPPO A79 5G with us. This is newly launched handset by OPPO. So let's start with its unboxing. So guys, at the very top you will find the documentation, and at the bottom we have handset itself. Now let me just remove this handset from this wrap. So you can see the handset. It is looking really good. Color is very beautiful. Now let me just keep this handset side, and we are going to look at the box contents. Now we have charger and cable in the bottom of the box. Now let us look at the handset itself. Handset is looking very good, guys. It is looking premium. Now let me just power this handset on. You can see OPPO logo on the boot animation. Color OS. So here is the launcher. So it is working good at now. Now look at the camera. It seems decent, guys. So I will make a full review about this phone soon. Thank you.